What is GitHub? All elite programmers around the world get together on GitHub and discuss ideas about programs and coding languages. GitHub is an elaborative platform that allows these developers to come together as a community and develop a network of information that is not restricted by location. Many integrated features are embedded into the platform, making it popular among the developer community. Simply put, we can understand GitHub to be a cloud-based service website. It allows developers from across the globe to store and manage their programming codes. This allows them to easily keep a record of all the change made to the set of codes and effectively control it. This video will help you understand GitHub even if you are a beginner or an expert. It has something for everyone. Let's know all about GitHub. GitHub allows developers from different states or countries to work collectively as a team and develop different updated versions of a software. And it is regarded as the largest host of public source codes. First, GitHub was founded on 8th February 2008 by Chris Van Strath, Tom Preston Werner, Scott Chacon, and PJ Head. Second, the first idea was to develop it as a version control system that would allow a collaborative environment. Third, it was then released as an LLC under the name Logical Awesome. Fourth, it's headquartered in San Francisco, California. Fifth, GitHub was launched for the world on 10th April 2008 and since then it has stormed into the development world. Sixth, currently it has 2,500 employees working under the subsidiary name with more than 56 million users. Seventh, it earned a revenue of $650 million, which is increasing every day. The two principal factors of GitHub are: GitHub allows developers to collectively work on different strings of programming codes and make every part of the syntax effective and deployable. It is connected to two primary principles that are responsible for proper performance and the creation of the cloud-based platform. The two principles are version control and Git. These two principles form the basic database of the platform. Therefore, let us understand the two principles in detail. If you wish to learn more about GitHub, its features, and how to use it effectively, watch the video till the end. First, what is version control? It is one of the main features of GitHub to keep track of all the alterations in the source code of the project and then manage them effectively. Different and older source codes of softwares are often discarded, but it is very essential to keep them stored. They allow proper control of the versions and help developers to keep things organized and secure when merging and creating new branches. Second, need for version control. GitHub has different intricate spaces for storing a version of codes into the platform. Therefore, let us understand why version control is important. First, it allows users to create and keep different versions of a single software and then inculcate them together into one. Second, while a developer is creating branches of a particular source code, they can also process alterations that have been made to the code. Third, it does not affect the main source code of the software, which is very important. Fourth, after a single string of code has been processed and compiled successfully, then it can be merged into the existing version. Coming forward, what is Git? Git is a specific source code that is available to every user for free. It allows developers to store every code in the local system, which can be later used for merging and further branching of versions. Git was developed as a version control system by the programming expert Linus Torvald. The main purpose of Git was to keep track of the alteration made to the source code of a Linux OS operating system. Git helps different developers that are far away from each other to work in a collaborative environment and simplify complex strings of source code for each other. How do Git and version control collectively control GitHub? A similar question arises many times as to what is GitHub together with the two principles. GitHub offers developers a Git repository with the help of a cloud-based hosting service. Simply, it is used to improve the collaboration experience of developers. GitHub was developed as a for-profit organization taking inspiration from an offline office team working by collaborating and then bringing the environment into an online platform. GitHub needs a Git environment to effectively work on the projects. Why is GitHub important for a developer? It was developed to give its users a simple interface so that they can effectively manage different projects. The hub in GitHub signifies that it works in a collaborative environment. It allows different users and developers to come together as a group and effectively work on a project. Anyone can create a public code directory and storage which is available for free to everyone. However, to monetize the platform, GitHub started to sell private code directory and other financial plans that help improving the business standards and security as well. If you wish to learn how to use GitHub and its different operations, the next part of the video is tailor-made for you. What is GitHub used for? GitHub serves as a collaborative platform where developers from across the world can come together and work collectively on a single project. However, they can also be used for other purposes by a personal user. Therefore, let us understand how GitHub can be used. First, GitHub gives you different features for project management and also for tracking bugs that might occur while you dry run programs developed by you. Second, it also sends information on bugs that may be in your current source code. Third, branches can be effectively used to look for bugs and assess how well the software performs after updating it. Fourth, GitHub keeps every essential entity stored into a sequence of files, thereby increasing accessibility and feasibility. Fifth, GitHub also allows you to send requests to only the programmers that need to approve the changes by using @ and then specify the username of the developers. Now comes the main question, how to use GitHub? GitHub is considered to be very complex. Therefore, basic knowledge becomes very important if you wish to start creating software on the GitHub platform. Therefore, let us properly understand how to set up GitHub when you are using it for the first time. If you have reached this far in the video, watch the rest of the video. If you wish to learn what is the use of GitHub. Basic terms used in GitHub. If you are someone who is a beginner, then you should know some of the basic terms and features that are used in GitHub. These are the basic building features of GitHub that allow it to work efficiently. After all, GitHub is used all across the globe for its unique and effective features. Additionally, it helps developers all around the globe to understand what's best for the project and carry out the alterations. Then comes a repository. A repository in GitHub is a storage space that stores all the information related to particular software. It can include files, datasets, files, and spreadsheets that are related to the project being developed. Merging. Merging is one of the important and complex features of GitHub. You may require permission from superiors to successfully implement the changes and merge them with the master branch. However, before merging, there are approval stages that the branch has to go through in order to be implemented into the main branch. Pull requests. A pull request is subjected to arise when one branch is being merged into the branch that is developed by different programmers. A pull request can be sent anytime as soon as you commit to the changes that have been made to the program. Moving forward, branch. It is very often that the project is subdivided into multiple divisions, and after every division is updated, they can be merged together into the master branch. After all the updates have been successfully developed, the branches have to be merged. Then comes your forking a repo. Forking stands for the creation of a new project which is based on a different project, a version of which already exists. It allows easy development of projects. It allows you to pick up a current existing on the GitHub platform. Then comes change logs. It makes it easy to track different versions of software when a collective team is working on a single project. It is hard to keep track of every change that is being made to the source code. With GitHub, it can be easily done with the help of change logs. It shows a detailed account as to who made the changes, when was the change committed, and what was the change made to the source code. Social networking. The social networking element of GitHub is considered to be the most essential characteristic, permitting the different projects to develop more and develop into something authentic. Every GitHub user on GitHub is free to create a personal profile that lists all their work and sometimes works as a curriculum vitae. It acts as a showcase of skills and all the different contributions that have made in a project. It allows public discussions of a certain project so that the best idea can be used for developing a certain project. If you wish to understand better, we recommend that you go through the entire video to understand more about branching and merging of branches. Features of GitHub. Many features have made it into popular among developers and also in the IT sector. Therefore, let us understand the different features of GitHub. First, it has become a hands-on learning platform and allows new developers to learn from highly skilled professionals from across the globe. The account you create on GitHub will be free of any cost. This will allow you unlimited access to both repositories. Third, several private code repositories from all around the world can be accessed after paying a subscription charge. Fourth, allows the developers to work consecutively on different implementations and also update different sections of the source code. Fifth, allows many versions of a single software to exist coherently along with the latest updated version. Sixth, many developers create a journal README file into the repository, helping others to understand all the specifications of the project. Other developers can read this file and understand the source code as well as the purpose and compliance of the software. 7. GitHub alerts the concerned member of teams by sending pull requests that certain changes are needed to be implemented into the master source code. The color codes of pull requests are dependent on the type of changes that have been implemented into the branches. 8th, when a developer creates a new branch, the source code of the master branch is copied into the new branch, where a developer can edit and update the existing source code. 9th, it enables the developers to keep multiple source codes of the software arranged into different versions and stages of development. A definitive branch of the repository is known as a master, which is the original source code of the code. This video is aimed at helping you to understand everything about GitHub. Therefore, if you wish to understand what are the pros and cons of using GitHub, the next part of the video is made just for you. Benefits of using GitHub. GitHub allows different developers from across the world to collectively work as a team and develop software. However, there are other benefits as well. Hence, let us look at all the benefits of using GitHub. First, it allows you to better control over the versions of recurring software, and you can easily keep them documented and separated from each other. Second, it allows the developer to easily collaborate and aims to bring the offline offices hub into an online platform to increase the mobility of the workforce. Third, there are skilled minds that work together and implement better codes into the software with real-time feedback from GitHub, as well as other contributors. Fourth, several IT sectors use GitHub for professional use. Therefore, knowledge of GitHub will help you to easily adapt to any professional environment. Fifth, there are a lot of creative and skillful programmers on GitHub, and they help you improve upon your skills. Sixth, it gives you a platform to showcase your skills and techniques to a wide audience and be recognized by different professionals that can help you in your professional career. Potential demerits of using GitHub. With all the benefits of GitHub, there are certain potential disadvantages as well. Therefore, let us look at some of the disadvantages of GitHub. First, GitHub is a public platform that shares source codes with developers all across the world. Therefore, you should not store any authentic source codes or files into GitHub. Second, many private repositories are secured with a paywall. However, many private repositories have a high cost. Third, with free access, there is a restriction that GitHub will only allow you to collaborate with only private repositories, after which you will be charged. Other uses of GitHub. Indeed, GitHub was originally developed for developers, but it can be used by other people as well. It can be used for different kinds of files. If you are collectively working on any Word file with a team that is responsible for developing or editing different sections of a single project, then it allows them to control the editing process. GitHub as a learning platform. Many skilled professionals use GitHub. Students who look to learn from these professionals can join different channels of their liking and learn better programming skills. The programming world always updates itself with the current trend of the world. Therefore, GitHub allows you to understand what is the latest trend in the software world. This will help you in learning new concepts and making you implement them in your work. It allows you to collaborate with different professionals and become an expert programmer yourself. Key takeaway: GitHub is a cloud-based platform that allows collaborations between developers. They can come together as a team and work on a single project. It also allows developers to work upon different versions of a single software and test for changes without creating any alteration in the original version of the software. It also assesses the source code for potential bugs that can occur so that the developer can make necessary corrections and develop software that is free from any bugs and work efficiently without any issues. We hope that the video was helpful and that you are taking back a lot of information along with you. For more amazing educational and informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to enable the notifications icon so that you receive the videos as and when we upload.